So the first thing we gonna do is take this clamp off right here in the back. Get this part of the hose off. Then we gonna take that clamp off. Then get that hose off, both of them. And we gonna change it out with that part. So what you wanna do is squeeze that clamp with like some pliers or something. You just wanna lock it on. My bad, I'm trying to hold this camera. Squeeze that boy. And you're gonna pull it back. So we just put a little antifreeze in. You know what I'm saying? Got the part changed out. New tool. New clamps, brand new clamps. Everything got the little ones put on there. Let's see what the little what the temperature saying. Oh yeah, that mug slowly going to the middle. It was running hot yesterday. So it looked like we just saved us about a good, the part was 70, 75, because it came with this, the reservoir, where you could add antifreeze right there. The normal part was about $20, $25. So I figured with the labor, if I would have took it to the shop, that would have been an extra, $150, $200. So yeah, DIY, man, DIY. From now on, we doing everything ourselves, bro. Whatever it takes to save money, if we could do it, and we got the tools, or we could get the tools or the resources, we doing it ourselves. So what I'm doing now is, it's called burping the cooling system. Where you gotta basically take the radiator cap off and let the hot air that got inside the engine get out. So what you can do, you see like all the bubbles, that's why it's called burping it. What you can do is kind of squeeze the tool, squeeze it a little bit, and you see it like kind of force the bubbles up a little more. So you gotta do that for about 20 minutes. You're gonna make sure, you cap it off and top your fluids back up. Back into the hot line. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna see where the temperature at after that. So now, finally, since we done bled the cooling system of any hot air that might have been in the engine block, our temp is actually below half. Heat running hot on the highest setting, air running cold, so we good.